I'm going to be sharing my top 5 best side hustles that I have personally tried out myself, and I'm going to share with you how much I've made so far from each side hustle. Looking for ways you can actually make money, extra money online. You're looking for side hustle. One of these side hustle I'm about to mention in this video can actually make you from the range of 100,000 naira upward. It doesn't matter who you are and where you're watching from. Alright guys, if you're coming across this particular channel for the very first time, welcome to Financial Hustle TV. What we do here is talk on how you can actually make real money online and offline. If that is of your interest, hit the subscribe button and join the family. Now let's dive into today's video. The first on my list is digital marketing. No, right? I know you might have read a lot about digital marketing, but trust me, you can make passive income from digital marketing. You can make money while you are asleep from digital marketing. Digital marketing and affiliate marketing are both slightly the same thing, but the difference between affiliate marketing and digital marketing is that affiliate marketing, you are going to be getting a commission on whatever products that you sell. You can actually get like 45% commission, 50% commission, 60% commission, 75, and so on and so forth. And some can be 25, 30 as well. So you just choose what is best for you. All right. And you can actually sign up on seller.com or staker.com or nesthuge.com to choose any affiliate product that you choose to promote and start promoting those products. But when you want to promote products, I would like you to choose something that you already have idea of. For instance, if you are a designer, you're a graphic designer, you can just choose something that has to relate with designing. So you have insights, you have knowledge about that particular thing you are promoting in case you ask question about that particular thing. What I do most time is that I bought that particular course with my own money. I go through the course and then I promote well. Whenever people ask me question, I'll be able to answer those questions correctly and perfectly. The second on my list is ghostwriting. Ghostwriting is one of the easiest and is very lucrative. You can actually start it with just your smartphone. I have a laptop, but I never use this for any of this business. I use my smartphone. Okay, so you don't have an excuse to say you don't have a laptop. That's why you have not started it. That's a lie. Start now. Whatever the phone you're using, just start. Make up your mind and take a bold step. If you have a zero knowledge about ghostwriting, when I started, I had zero knowledge about ghostwriting, and I did what I get a ghostwriting course. If you want to start ghostwriting and you have zero knowledge about story writing, you need to get a course. This will help you to get your first contract in less than a month. So you don't have to struggle before you actually start making money as a ghostwriter. And if you know you don't want to invest in it, then you can just keep trying and try, learn from your mistakes until you hit your first contract. The third on my list is educational consultant. This is one of the way I actually make money online as well as a student in Nigeria. But this is only meant for Nigerian students. If you're a graduate, you're Nigerian students, you can actually do this. I made a video on this particular side also telling you how exactly you are going to go about it. Educational consultant is also one of the best way you can actually make money online with just your smartphone. This is the amount I have made so far from educational consultants. Okay. Fourth on my list is Cyber Friend. So Cyber Friend, I actually bought this course last month. I won't lie. Okay, I've not even tried it out myself because I've been so occupied. But these are the comments. This is the course that I bought, and I can recommend it as well. When I used to buy this particular course to share you a legit information about how you can actually make money from chatting online, because there are a lot of videos chatting online, but when you sign up on that website, you will never get a job. Okay, so I bought a course and then I realized that it is truly true. You can actually make money chatting online. If you want to get that course too, you can actually click on the link in the bio, chat me up, and I'm going to recommend that particular course to you as well. The fifth on my list is content creation. Content creation is not as easy as you think. It's not going to generate you income as soon as possible as the first four side hustles that I have mentioned earlier. But content creator can actually make you millions, but you have to put in the efforts, your time, your resources. You have to invest in it, and you have to be consistent in your posting and everything. But at the end of the day, you are going to get all your investments back. But if you really need money fast, like me, you want money ASAP, then content creation is not something you're going to get money from ASAP. I would recommend ghostwriting. I would recommend cyber friend course. I would recommend digital marketing and affiliate marketing, educational consultants. These are the 5 ways you can actually get money ASAP. On digital marketing and affiliate marketing, I said they are actually both similar, but the difference is just like you're getting commission from affiliate products. Okay, so you get that about all of these side hustles. If you have any other ideas, let us know in the comment section. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I will be there to answer all of those questions as soon as possible. Bye. See you in the next one. And do not forget to click the like button and comment. Subscribe to the channel if you like this type of content. See you in the next one and do take care of yourself. Bye.